Today's recipe is Hyderabadi Aab Shola. This is a very easy recipe. It's basically mango sharbat. This juice is made with raw mangoes, which is 850 grams. I've got 3 raw mangoes here, and I will be using around 300 grams of sugar. Now, if I need to add more sugar, I might do that while tasting this sharbat or juice. And let's start making this recipe. To make this recipe, I will be using a pressure cooker. So I'm just adding the raw mangoes, also known as curry, to the pressure cooker. And I will just add water, enough water to boil this curry. Now you can do it in a normal pot, but the thing is it will take a longer time. I use the pressure cooker which makes the boiling of the curry quick. And now I'll turn my stove on and I will let this boil till it's done. It's been 3 whistles since I placed these curries or raw mangoes in the pressure cooker. Now I'm just waiting for this steam to escape completely from the pressure cooker, and once that happens, then I will open and check if the mangoes are cooked. Now since there's no steam left, I will be opening the pressure cooker and we'll check on the curries. Let's check if the curries are boiled. The curries look cooked. Now what I'll do is I'll remove from the pressure cooker and place it into another dish. I'm placing the curries here, the raw mangoes, for it to cool down. Once these curries cool down, then I'll remove the skin from the raw mangoes. Now let's remove the skin of these mangoes, and it's still hot, so please be careful. When you remove the skin from the mango, just try to scrape any remaining pulp from the skin off. And I was just doing some research. I wanted to know why. I asked my mom why we call it Aab Shola. And Aab means water and Shola means fire. And I guess during the summer season, it's very hot. And when you have this drink, because we're going to add cold water to this drink and ice, so it cools us down. And I guess that's why we as Hyderbadis also call it Aab Shola. So I'm just trying to remove the pulp and I'll continue doing it for the rest of the mangoes. I will be weighing the pulp of these raw mangoes. I've got exactly 426 grams of pulp from these 3 raw mangoes, and here I've got 300 grams of sugar. Blend the mango pulp and the sugar together, and always blend the mango pulp with the sugar when the mango pulp is a little lukewarm, so the sugar mixes well with it before adding the water. So now I've just added, here you can see I've added mango and sugar, and I'll just add like a 2 tablespoons of water, so it's easy for me to blend. Now that we've blended the mango pulp and the sugar together, I will be adding 1 liter of water, and this is cold water. I don't think my jar can take so much water, so we'll just do it slowly. And I'll add the remaining water. Blend it again, and then we'll add ice cube with it for serving. So I just tasted the sugar, so it's to my liking, it's good, but if you want you can add more. And usually I like serving my Aab Shola with ice, but others also add black salt, you can add zeera, but we don't do that in our Aab Shola at home. We prefer it this way, simple, just mango and sugar. So I'm just adding a few of these ice cubes in this, and I'll blend it, and then I will add ice cubes even individually in the glasses. So I'll just give it one more blend. That's it. So I just blended it for literally 5 seconds, and now I'll pour it in the glasses and serve it cold. You can see how nicely this Aab Shola is ready to serve. So now we are pouring the Aab Shola in the glasses, and you can see how fantastic it's looking. This Aab Shola is ready to enjoy as a summer drink, and it's a very simple recipe. If you make it differently, please leave a comment in the description box below. So please comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon for notification of my latest videos, and thank you for watching. Enjoy! In the previous clip the mango was a little yellow, but here I've tried to get more green mangoes for this Aab Shola. So I'm going to cook it and in the same exact way, and then at the end I'll just show you the photo of it. So in the previous clip you can see my mangoes were a little ripe, though I thought I bought kacha keri. Here I actually found absolutely unripe mango, raw mango, and you can see the color difference, but the taste is absolutely the same. It's delicious and you must try this recipe.